It's my people. So Hugo Bros is going to announce the 26 men which will be representing Bafana in the FIFA World Cup, right? The announcement is at 7 p.m. SABC 3 live at the Union Buildings. Now, here's what's interesting. All 32 men who made the preliminary squad have reported to camp this morning. Remember, only 26 can go to the World Cup. So 6 of those players are going to be left behind. I mean, some people may argue that it's a bit distasteful to take everyone there if you're only going to select a few. How are the rest going to feel that have been left behind? But if anything, man, for those players that will be left behind, it still is a huge accomplishment to be recognized as part of the 32 men that could have potentially represented Bafana in the World Cup. But anyways, Hugo Bros might surprise us. I cannot wait for tonight, 7 p.m. sharp. We will be there. Shout out to Sia Says. He provided all the images there. If you want the latest and exclusive content, please go follow him. Bye.